Hey out there, all you viewers been named later, how we doing today? Well, Detroit Grooming is back on the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the 313 butter. And I know I did this in another video before, but man, seriously, every time I think of the 313, I wonder if you're just like me.
Now everybody from the 313, put your motherfucking hands on the smile on me. Everybody from the 313, put your motherfucking hands up. Look. Now while he stands up, notice that this man did not have his hands up.
Alright, slow your roll there, B-Rabbit. I ain't claiming the 313. I'm a 360, I was a 503, a 971, and a 203. Whew, I'm a white guy trying to rhyme, but I can't do it, so I'm just going to quit. Alright. Yes, I know. Every time I do the 313, that always goes through my head, and I just don't know why. Alright? But still, if you guys are familiar with Detroit Grooming, man, skip ahead about a minute and a half. If you're unfamiliar with them, stick around. I'm going to give you a quick education on the company, and we're going to talk about this awesome product. Alright, you can find them at www.detroitgrooming.com. They are very proudly made in the USA out of Ferndale, Michigan. Detroit Mike, he is the boss, he is the CEO, and he's the guy calling all the shots. Now, if I remember correctly, he had a partner when he first started. I don't know if they split, but I love the fact that Mike always pays homage to the history of his company, and he always says, I'm not the owner, I'm a partner. So I love that. I love how he does that. They basically got their start in November of 2013. And it literally came from Detroit Mike sitting on his porch going, I need to come up with business ideas. I want to work for myself. What can I do? And as he put it, this was the most out-of-the-box, most radical, whatever I didn't think would ever work. And boom! He got himself a worldwide hit in that one, didn't he? All right. They've got some great core values of the company that I really love to share because I think it's just awesome. And you can see the passion in Mike when he does stuff. He's really driven by these. They are compassion, collaboration, innovation, passion, and dedication. And I love the core focus of the company to create a globally recognized brand of products that provide great experiences. Sorry, I kind of flipped a little cheat sheet here, but yeah. So, I will show you. I have used it a bunch since I've gotten it. I love this stuff. And the weird thing about Detroit butters, I'm going to tell you honestly, when you sniff them in their little container, to me they all smell the exact same until I get them out of the container and break them down. And that's when I really get the scent profile. Okay? But what I think is cool is he basically has two sizes of these butters that you can get. And of course, I went with the 4-ouncer because, well, I like them a little bigger. They last a little longer. You got a 2-ounce and a 4-ounce. The 2-ounce on their web store and on Amazon, it's also Prime eligible, is $15.95. And that price is current as of September 2nd, 2020. And on the 4-ouncer, same thing. Web store and Amazon it's Prime, $24.95. Current as of, you guessed it, September 2nd, 2020. Now, the scent profile on this thing is toasted vanilla and amber, and it is just sweetness inside a beard butter. And oh, coincidentally, Detroit Grooming was the first company ever to make beard butter. Kind of cool, huh? Alright, now, the scent strength on it, it's really like a medium scent strength. It's not a punch you in the face kind of thing. And I can tell you from personal experience, from wearing it at noon one day just to see how long it may go, I got about 6 to 8 hours that I could actually smell it. Now, I'm going to give you the ingredients and some other neat little breakdowns here in a moment. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but if you can, hit pause and follow along. Sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, sunflower seed oil, safflower seed oil, rice bran oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, wheat germ oil, beeswax, unrefined shea butter, butter, what am I, frickin' doing a Boston Mike thing over here? Yeah. Unrefined shea butter, coconut oil, fragrance, and essential oils. I know, it basically sounds like one of their oils, but with butters added in. And you know what was funny is Mike was talking about that, and I loved his thought process and everything behind it. But he's like, okay, we got it, but is it good? Is it not good? Let's play around a little more. And I just love his commitment to excellence for his company's products. Okay, now we're at a fun part. If you're unfamiliar with how to use beard butter, it is seriously really, really simple. It's even easier than oil. Well, it's got one easier step. Basically, you get your little you get your thumbnail, get in there and get the amount out you think you need. And I say it that way because everybody uses a different amount, all right? We all truly do. I will usually go from about right here to about right there. That's the amount I pull out from my beard. I get it into my other hand, basically wipe it off right in there, and I start the process of breaking it down from its solid state into a more liquid state. At that point, you're really going to get that scent profile. Man, it's going to smell great. Once you get it down to that liquid state, work it into your beard and groom it out. The big difference between butter and oil, and especially balm. Balm is more of a heavier hold. Butter will give you a light hold. Butter is more for your hair than it is for your skin. Now, it has some great effects for your skin, but butter really nourishes that hair and gives it a whole bunch of goodness getting right in there. So that's the best part of that. You know, it's that simple, guys. I know it sounds like, no, there's got to be more. No, it's just that. Bring it down, work it in, groom it out. And guys, I will tell you, especially if you find a scent profile that works great with your better half, her sleeping next to you, smelling that all night, gives you a little bit of an advantage. You know what I'm saying? Brown chicken, brown cow. Yeah, I know that was probably bad, but I don't care. I had to throw it in there because it's my video and I can do it, so... I know, mature, but still. Alright, this is the part of the video I love the most, other than making stupid things like that. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Have you used Detroit Grooming before? Have you used the 313 before? You know, have you had successes? Have you had failures? I gotta be honest, I have had 4 butters, 4 oils. I've loved them all so far. I'm glad that the 313 is a permanent thing, because when it first came out, it was temporary. And I'm like, oh man, no, don't take away the goodness. That's why I haven't used more of it, but now that it's permanent, it's back in the regular nighttime rotation. Alrighty, now for you first-time viewers of my channel, and you long-time viewers as well, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're watching my channel. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below in the comment section what I can do to earn your subscription? You know, you never know what your comment may do that may cause a change of history in the channel, you know, change the course. After you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right there. You can see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because YouTube will send you a notification every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My weird look at Detroit Grooming's 313 Beard Butter. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you are having a great day and you're being safe out there.